Ever thought that the best way to love yourself is by taking care of yourself? This isn't just a feel-good idea, it's a fundamental truth. Self-care is the bedrock of a happy, healthy life, and it's something we should all be practicing, not just when we're worn out, but every single day. 51 Wise Principles for a Fulfilling Life. Principle 25. Self-care. Love in action. Take Lizzo as a shining example. She's not just a music sensation, she's a self-care champion. Lizzo shows us that self-care isn't about grand gestures. It's in the everyday choices we make. From her empowering lyrics to her social media posts, she constantly reminds us to appreciate our bodies, embrace our quirks, and give ourselves the love we often reserve for others. But how does Lizzo make self-care practical? She focuses on body positivity, celebrating her body rather than conforming to traditional beauty standards. She's vocal about mental health, encouraging open conversations about it. She also practices what she preaches. Whether it's through her workout routines, nourishing her body with foods that make her feel good, or taking mental health days when needed. Scene script. Here's how you can apply this in your life. 1. Body positivity. Embrace your body, just like Lizzo. Dress in ways that make you feel confident and comfortable. 2. Mental health matters. Follow Lizzo's lead and make your mental health a priority. This could be as simple as taking a break when you feel overwhelmed or talking openly about your feelings. 3. Daily acts of self-care. Incorporate small self-care actions into your daily routine. This might be a morning workout, a healthy meal, or a few minutes of meditation. Reflect on your self-care routine. Are you doing enough for yourself? What small steps can you take today for your well-being? Feel free to share in the comments. Your insights might inspire others to start their self-care journey. Remember, self-care is the ultimate expression of self-love. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Thank you for tuning into 51 Wise Principles for a Fulfilling Life. If you're committed to self-care, like and share this video. Follow us for more insights into a healthier and happier you. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, self-care is love in action. Make it a non-negotiable part of your life. Until next time, keep loving and caring for yourself.